Liars. The government, the press are liars. When it comes to climate change, it's an incredible lie, incredible scam. It's even stupid because a group of climatologists and the government agencies around the world decided to bet against nature, bet against God, saying that we're going to suffer from global warming because of man-made gas output of CO2, putting their reputations on the line that things were just going to heat up. Just so ends up that they did that on a cooling planet. In 2008, I looked and studied the climate or the weather patterns for a year, trying to see what was going on. Because what was being put out in the news just didn't feel right, didn't sound right. And after 1 year, I've collected enough information to make me feel in my heart what the truth was. So in 2009, I started publishing about climate. Cold climate change. I have a site called Cold Climate Change. I must have published 200 essays in the last 16 years, and they're just liars. I mean, what do we do with liars? People who lie, governments who lie. It's just an amazing, amazing, amazing thing. And a symptom of the insanity of our time. Insanity of the elite who think they can get away with anything, and they certainly try. But when it comes to climate and to nature, it is what it is. When it's freezing out, you can't tell somebody it's really 100 degrees. It's freezing. It's physical reality. So looking at what happens on the ground, which this essay is all about, what's happening in basically the beginning of summer, in the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, where it was the beginning of the winter. Things are betraying what the press and the climatologists tried to scare us with, which was that this is going to be the warmest summer. We were going to suffer like dogs. Meanwhile, it's still snowing and record cold. Some places winter just won't let go. So the basic theme, they're liars. Terrible, terrible liars. And there's a consequence to that. And basically, as it gets colder, as predicted by NOAA, which is predicting by 2030, sunspot activity is going to drop off almost to zero, promising more cold. Civilization will not be prepared because they're lying. They're lying and they're lying and they're lying.
Want the truth they're not telling you? Become a paid subscriber and get full access to my exclusive videos.